Hi, this is Willem. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to save files in Grafis and how to find them later on. First of all, click Help and then Grafis Setup. Under Options, make sure Autosave is set to every 1 minute, and the number of backup files should be set to 2. If you make any changes and click OK, make sure you restart Grafis for these changes to take effect. When creating a new style, which if you don't have this button in the toolbar, you can do by clicking File, New, we are prompted to select a measurement system. By default, the selected measurement system is going to be Optimas, which is what people tend to use when learning Grafis. However, there is a number of other measurement systems, including measurement systems which you probably not have on your screen, as they can be created for specific needs. So let's work on Optimas now. And in the library of interactive patterns, I'm going to select the bodice 10. Okay, let's say this is my style and I want to save it. I can click on this icon in the toolbar, or under File, I can select Save or Save As, whichever is more appropriate. Now I'm in the Optimas file system. Under C, there's going to be an alpha folder which always gets created automatically. Or this can be in other languages depending on your settings. So in French, my Grafis was set to French previously, so I have a folder called Offre. These folders are created automatically, and you can either save your projects inside of these folders or just create other folders in the same place. I'll create a folder and I'll call it Winter 2015. Inside of this folder, I want to save my style, and I'll name it Style 1. I can hit Enter or click Save to save it. Now, where do I find this file? Let's restart Grafis. Under File, I can select Open. Now I'm prompted to select a measurement system. Because I created my style 1 in Optimas, I also need to select Optimas now, otherwise I won't be able to find my style. This automatically opens in the last place you saved a document. So here we have our style. If you want to go one folder up under your C directory, you click this button. Here we've got our several folders, and inside of Winter 2015, I have my style 1. I can click that. In the Open and Save dialogues, by the way, we've got different display options, how we want files to be displayed. So you can just experiment with these to see which one suits you best. I like this one and this one activated, because here I've got more information than if I have this setting. I can see the file size and the last change, the date of the last change, which is quite important. And on the right side, I like having a picture of what's inside the document, or style rather. So if I open this, and let's say I'll create some other layers, and inside these layers I will put something else. So now when I save, in my Open dialog, I can browse all of the layers inside this style. Okay, so far so good. If I now want to send this file to someone, I need to actually find it inside of Windows. So I'll close, oops, that was Mac. I'll close it for the time being, and I'll head into the Start menu, which now I know I should upgrade to Windows 10. I will do that very soon. Under My Computer, go into Disk C, or wherever you have your Grafis folder. Go into your Grafis folder, and now we need to find the folder for our measurement system, in this case Optimas. This you will find after the name, in brackets, after the name of the measurement system. So for Optimas, this is going to be basis D. So inside of the basis D folder, I have several other folders. The one we are looking for today is the collect folder, which contains the collection. Inside this collect folder, we get the view that we just saw inside of Grafis. So inside my Winter 2015 folder, you will find the style 1. Also, as you can see, there's a style1.bk0. That's the first backup. So if I open style 1, this will have all of the changes we made recently. Oops. If, however, I click style1bk0, that's going to be the document as it was before I made my changes. So it doesn't have the 3 layers or the skirt in it yet. So if you want to send your style to someone, you need to make sure that you select the right file. You don't want to be sending the backup files. Those are just internal. Okay, I hope this helps you to find your files and to organize your collections.